European Young Engineers is an established association that brings together young engineering students and professional leaders across Europe. But where did it all begin? In 1994, a group of young engineers from the Netherlands and Belgium saw a need for a platform where they could connect, learn, and grow. They wanted a place where they could share their ideas and experiences, and where they could build a strong network of like-minded students. The Department of Young Engineers of the Royal Institute of Engineers in the Netherlands and the Committee of Young Engineers of the Flemish Engineering Association in Belgium worked side by side in a new federation for the engineers of the future. In that same year, new organizations began to join from Belgium, Denmark, UK, and Germany. European Young Engineers was born. From the very beginning, the organization was driven by a mission to support and empower young engineers in the field of engineering, and connect them with international colleagues from all over Europe. In 1995, the first international conference took place in the city of Amsterdam. For the next 10 years, conferences were held in Copenhagen, Karlsruhe, London, Budapest, Brussels, Utrecht, Hanover, and Helsinki. Hundreds of participants joined as an opportunity for networking and collaboration. "2002 was undoubtedly the turning point for EYE. That year was the official announcement of EYE statutes. At the same time, 2 more countries joined the family: Femmes Ingénieures from France and the Association of Consulting Engineers from the UK. Over the years, EYE has grown and evolved, but its core values have remained the same. It is a meeting place for extraordinary people to come together, learn from each other, and work towards a more resilient society. Now we come to 2018, the year in which EYE became what we know today. That is the year of the official foundation of European Young Engineers as a non-profit organization registered in the Baltic city of Tallinn. The management team structure was developed into a larger department-based organization. A new vision was set at the EYE conference in Malta, to be the voice of young engineers in Europe. Today, the European Young Engineers is a thriving community of more than 500,000 members, representing almost 30 engineering associations, all committed to advancing their careers and making a positive impact in Europe at a time full of challenges in all fields. The European Young Engineers is more than just a youth association. It is a true family, united by people together beyond any geographical boundary, building something meaningful. From its humble beginnings in 1994, EYE has grown into one of the largest resources for young engineers. Its members are the leaders of tomorrow, making a difference across Europe and shaping the future of their industry.